Good morning, my dear friends. Today we will do maths, and our chapter's name is fractions. And the link of the how to multiply two-digit numbers I have given in the description. You can check it. So you know what is a fraction. So if a whole thing is divided into equal parts, is called a fraction. So if a whole thing is divided into equal parts, then it is called a fraction. For example, I take a pizza, and I have to divide it. I have to divide it into two parts. So I will just draw a line, then it will divide it into two parts. So this is called fraction. If a whole thing is divided into equal parts, then it is called a fraction. So this is the example. And if the pizza I want to divide it into four people, then I will draw one more line from here, then it will be divided into four people. So this is called fractions. So, and do you know that fractions are numeral? Yes, fractions are numeral. Just the numeral like 15 names a whole number. Similarly, a fraction like 1 by 3 or 2 by 5 names a fractional number. For example, 3 by 8. The numeral 3 above the line is called the numerator. It tells how many parts are shaded. So suppose I give an example. If I draw a box, not a box, if I also draw a rectangle, then it tells that how many parts are shaded. So now I will shaded three parts of from this rectangle. So I have shaded three parts from the box, and this box have, it has eight parts. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here is telling 8 by 3 by 8. So I have to shade here three parts of the box. So I have shaded. So this is called a fraction. Just as a numeral like 15 names a whole number, similarly, a fraction like 1 by 3, 2 by 5 named as fractional number. Or if I take the example also 3 by 8, then also it will name as fractional number. So what are equivalent fractions? Fractions that name same amount are called equivalent fractions. Thus, 1 by 3, 2 by 6 are called equivalent fractions. Suppose I take the example of 1 by 2. So you have to multiply 1 by 1. So you have to multiply 1 and 2. So you have to multiply 1 by 2, then 2 by into 2. Then you have to multiply 1 into 3, then 2 into 3, then you have to multiply 1 into 4, then 2 into 4. And after that, after multiplying, that means that 1 by, you have to take the first number also. This 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 3 by 6, and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. You have to make these doubles. So you have to make doubles. So 1 into 2 means 2. 1 into 2 means 2, and 2 into 2 means 4. So example of this is called that. So if you have to multiply 1 by 2, so you have to multiply 1 into 2, then you have to multiply 2 into 2. Then after multiplying all the numbers like this, you will find an equivalent fraction. So if I tell you to find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, then the equivalent fractions of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2, 3 by 2 by 4, 3 by 6, and 4 by 8. So expressing a fraction in a simplest form. So to reduce a fraction to its simplest form, keep dividing by common factors until the common factors is 1. So for example, I take the number 1 by 3, 4 by 5, and 7 by 9 are in their simplest form. In 1 by 3, there is no common factor of 1 and 3 except 1. So it is the simplest form of 1 by 3. Likewise, 4 by 5, likewise 4 by 5 is likewise the only common factor of 4 by 5 in 4 by 5 is 1 and of 7 and 9 is also 1, and the fraction, and for example the fraction of 8 and 10 is the simplest form because 2 is the common factor of 8 and 10. So 8, for example 8 and 10 is the not simplest form of a fraction because it has two common factor of 8 and 10. We will do now like and unlike fraction for, but first of all I will tell you that what is numerator and what is denominator. The upper part is called new the upper part is called the numerator and the down part is called the denominator. So now compare what is like fraction and what is unlike fraction. So let's start with the like fractions. Fraction using same denominators are called like fractions. So in first of all, I tell you that what is in numerator and denominator. The upper part is called the numerator and the down part is called denominator. So I tell you fraction using same denominators are called like fraction, and in unlike fraction using different denominator are called unlike fraction. So this is the denominator, and in like fraction one the denominator is same. So if I take the number 5 by 5 and 6 by 5, so they are like fraction because the down part is same, the down number is same. So for example there are more examples such as 1 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 and 1 by 5 are like fraction because the down part is same. And in unlike, I take the example 4 by 6 and 8 by 2. They are unlike fraction because the downer part is different. And there are more examples such as 1 by 7, 5 by 8, 6 by 13 and 2 by 3 are unlike fraction because the downer part is different. So friends, this was the today's video. This was the topic fraction, and the more about fractions such as mixed numeral, proper and improper fraction we will do in the next part of this video. And how to multiply two-digit number is given in the description of this video, you can check. And at the last I want to tell you that please like, share and subscribe our channel. So friends, thank you and have a good day.